Hey everybody, we are the Red Yacht Chili Peppers based right here in Las Vegas. We're excited to do your next event playing some of your favorite hits from the 70s, 80s, and 90s. So come join us. The water's great, the music is even better. Sit back and enjoy the ride.
So I ride like the wind, ride like the wind. Gonna ride like the wind. Come on, y'all. That's right.
All your life you never seen a woman taken by the wind. Would you stay if she promised you heaven? Will you ever win? Will you ever win?
They say, Brandy, you'll find you're fine. What a good wine you would be. Such a fine girl. Your eyes could steal the sailor from the sea.
It must have been love, but it's over now. It's where the water flows. It's where the wind blows.
All I wanna do in the middle of the evening is hold you tight, Rosanna, Rosanna. Didn't know you were looking for more than I could ever be. I'm burning through the sky, yeah. 100 degrees, that's why they call me Mr. Fahrenheit. Traveling at the speed of light, I wanna make a supersonic man out of you. Don't stop me now. I'm having such a good time. I'm having a ball. I can see you. Your brown skin shining in the sun. I see you walking real slow and you're